Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's update our view on the gold market. So actually here we're doing the same as on the euro currency. We're just waiting. So if on the euro currency today video we discussed that this market has formed the spike that we discussed in the weekly report. It's actually 1275 and now it's supposedly should start the final stage of the forming of some pattern on the euro currency that we are waiting for. On the gold market in general, we are also standing in the same situation where we need to get the touching of the XOP target on the lower time frame. This market stands in a really tight range, so it stands inside of the confidence that we discussed. And with the touching of the XOP, it might be actually the final spike up that will complete the action to the neckline here. And our next step is to watch for appearing of this large hand and shoulders pattern. So we're watching for forming of the right arm. Symmetrically it should be somewhere around 1925, 1930. And then in the final point of all the stuff, this will be supposedly long entry, hoping that this hand shoulders will work and we will get some kind of the ABCD pattern somewhere in 1985, 1990 area. So that's in two words what we expect on the gold market, or at least the patterns that we intend to watch within the nearest couple of weeks probably. So, but right now, this market on the daily chart still stands in a tight range. On the 4-hour time frame chart, yesterday it was seemed that market will ignore the XOP because right in the morning you can see that started some downward action here in the gold. But it was very short term and market returned back in the consolidation forming some kind of the bearish trap, showing this fake downside breakout of the consolidation, and it means that XOP is still valid, so market still could reach it, and we still need to watch for this moment. As soon as it will be done, most probable pattern that we could get, this will be some kind of the hand and shoulders. So that might become the shoulder, this will be head, and theoretical then also could get the shoulder. Butterfly is currently not possible, it's just because this top is already above this one. So if it would be slightly lower, and we could say that might be the left wing, and market could form the right wing. That's why in the current point we're just watching for a possible upward action to the XOP. As I said in the weekly report, we are not considering taking the new long positions just because it's very close to the XOP. It's very small distance of potential profit, and it's not safe. Taking the position market currently is very unstable because it's already stayed inside of the conference, and we can't totally exclude that the situation where market will not touch the XOP and will start dropping earlier. Although I hope this will not happen, but who knows? So we can't totally exclude it, and this makes taking the new long position right there is even more tricky. That's why for those who would like to buy gold, I think that it will be safer just to sit on a hand and wait when the market will start forming right arm and then take the position around 1930 rather than trying to just jump in with the target on the XOP. For the bears, mostly they're in the same situation as it was yesterday. It's somewhere is coming, the chances to take the short position, but it's not quite in place. So market still will have to touch the XOP and form the bearish pattern. Mostly absolutely the same story as on the euro currency. Once we will get more or less evident bearish performance, it will be possible to consider taking the short position. That's actually what we intend to do currently, and see what will happen next on the hourly chart. As you can see, market is also coming to the XOP. Here it's local, smaller type of the XOP. It's almost, most of we could say that's completed. So let's keep watching and see what the market reaction will be, and especially if we will be right and market will complete 1970, what will happen next.